Hey there mga may loves collective. So yan, no, alamin natin kung ano ba itong urgent na mensahe for you ng inyong angels and spirit guides right here. When we say urgent, no, if you feel the vibe that you need this message this time, then this reading might be ready for you. Especially if you have already something in your mind. Yan, no. Pwede meron ka ng gustong gawin, push ka na na ituloy yung isang bagay, no, but you still have that kind of a little doubt about it. Let's gonna find out, no? Pwede rin ganun yung case, but we'll definitely see. Yan, no? This is an urgent message right here. So, if this is reaching you, and if you feel drawn to this reading, then this urgent message right here is para sa'yo. Okay? Might be para sa'yo. So, let's go ahead and check out kung ano ba tong urgent message ng inyong angels and spirit guides right here. Spirits and angel guides, thank you so much for being here with us in this reading. Can you please, what is this message right here? Can you please show us? What is this urgent message na kailangang malaman ng ating collective for this reading today? Ano itong urgent na mensahe ninyo para sa ating collective reading? Can you please give us a clear message, especially those people or those energies na nagda-doubt this time? What is this urgent message? Urgent message. Okay. Let's go ahead and find out. The urgent message has something to do with within the next few weeks right here. And let's see the bottom of the deck. We have here the remain positive. So it looks like the universe right here wants you to maintain some kind of positive mindset, no? Yan, if you have doubts right here, it looks like something beautiful or something amazing will happen within the next few weeks right here, okay? Whatever it is that you're planning to do, whatever it is that you're trying to do right here, okay, there's balance. The universe is giving you a positive. It's a yes right here coming from your angels and spirit guides. So yeah, it looks like the universe right here, they're guiding you, they're protecting you right here. It looks like this kind of thing, no, mga babes, no, nakikita ko na malaki ang magiging dapat na maging ambag ninyo dito. Kasi nakikita ko rito, kung ano man to, bagay na ito, na mamaya, we're gonna see it, no, through the tarot. Pero dito, nakikita ko, no, na kung ano man yan, okay? Kailangan maging positibo kayo dyan, no? At whatever it is, pwede may kinalaman to sa abundance ninyo, sa trabaho, no? Sa money, finances, business, or pwede rin naman sa inyong well-being, sa inyong healing right here, or kung ano man yan, no? This is something here positive na pwedeng mangyari within the next few weeks right here for you guys, no? If you remain positive, then this will be yours, no? Nang mas maaga pa, no? Within the next few weeks, naku, napakalapit na nito mga babes, no? Baka nga mas mangyari pa ito, no, ng mas maaga pa, no, kaysa dito sa inaasahan, no, yun na nakukuha natin dito. And this is something here na parang ang magiging ambag mo dito is dapat mag-isip ka ng positibo. Yan, no? Kasi iba-iba kayo rito ng approach, iba-iba kayo ng pangunawa, iba-iba kayo rito, no, ng way ng pag-handle ng sitwasyon na ito. Pero yun nga, no, the challenge here is that this is a yes, pero okay, kailangan maging positibo ka, maintain that positive mindset, maintain that positive energy, that feeling, positive feeling, okay, maintain right here, no, stay in that kind of happy state of mindset, and dapat maintain mo yung sarili mo na kalmado ka lang, no, kailangan iwasan mo yung mga bagay rito na makaka-apekto sa'yo negatively, like I'm getting this kind of energy na dapat hindi ka makaramdam ng mga negative emotions like pagkagalit, pagkainip, no? At okay, ano pa mga negatibong emosyon at pakiramdam, no? Kasi nakikita ko napakalapit na 'to, no, at hindi ko alam kung ba't nakukuha ko rito na parang meron dito mga energies na gusto ko itong mangyari bago matapos ang 2023. So yan, no, actually bago matapos ang 2023, yun talaga, no, mga babes, no, yung kung ano man yung inaasahan mo, no, mangyayari yan kasi yun ang hiniling mo, specifically with the universe, no, with God right here. So regardless kung ano pang relihiyon ninyo, ano pang culture ninyo, no, alam ko magkakaiba tayo dito ng relihiyon, pero hindi yan blockage, no. Ang challenge dito, no, is ibibigay yan sa inyo bago matapos yung 2023 na yan, no. Basta remain positive. Within the next few weeks, nako, napakalapit na nito, no. Yung iba nga nakukuha ko rito, within the next week lang. Okay? So, whatever it is, okay, remain positive. Yan. Okay? Remain positive. Now, let's see with the tarot. Other messages involving this. Spirits and angel guides, can you please tell us more about this? Tell us more. Why is remain positive and within the next few weeks, what is this all about? Okay. Yung iba, ang minamanifest ninyo, no, is kausapin na kayo or i-reach out na kayo, no, ng inyong nakaalitan, nakatampuhan na loved ones. Yung iba pwedeng boyfriend, girlfriend nyo yan, no? Sana magkaayos kayo bago matapos yung 2023 or sana bago magpasko nakakuha tayo ng ganyan, no? It's like gusto ninyo, no, na maayos yung gusot, no? Yung misunderstanding, no? Yung iba, connection sa inyong loved ones. Yung iba, yes, romantic partner yan. Pero sa iba, pwedeng kaibigan nyo yan, no, na nakaalitan, no? Ang gusto ninyo is sana bago magpasko or bago man nang matapos itong 2023, magkaayos kami itong tao na to. Yan, no? So, it will happen, mga babes, no? Remain positive. No matter how syongit, no matter how binababaan niya kayo ng phone, no matter how ayaw niya kayong kausapin right now, remain positive. That's the challenge. That's the challenge, okay? Time is getting near. Nakikita ko ang pagkakaayos rito. Kung yan ang ninanais, no, ng iba sa inyo. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Kasi nag-overthink kayo. It's okay, no? Naiintindihan ko yan. But you need to connect with your soul. Yeah. If you're eyeing for some positive right here, pakikipag-ayos, okay, with your loved ones, with your romantic partner here, lalo na yung malayo sa inyo or may magkalayo ngayon, no, ang inyong loob, or malayo yung loob niya sa inyo ngayon, no, and see it naglalapit, no, coming together, no. Kailangan mong gamitin, mga babes, no, okay, ang yung inner self. Okay, magulo kasi yung inner self mo, nag-overthink ka rito. Yun yung challenge mo. Difficult for you na wag isipin itong connection na to. Parang nape-pressure ka habang papalapit ng pagtatapos ng 2023. May pressure ako na kukuha sa'yo rito, no? But spirits and angel guides are telling you, no, natanggalin mo yan. Yan ang challenge mo. I know that's difficult, that's hard, especially iba-iba tayo rito, no? Pero kaya mo yan. Okay, spirits are saying na magagawa mo yung wish mo na yan. May katuparan rito ng wishy. Nine of Cups energy right at the center of your reading. Okay? You just need to connect with your soul right here, no? Kailangan mong i-ignite rito, no, yung connection mo with your spirits and angel guides, no? This is an urgent kasi gusto ninyo na mangyari ito before 2023 and I'm seeing it happening for you guys, no? I'm seeing this wish being fulfilled right here, okay? There's healing. There's definitely right here healing if you want to heal or mend some kind of connection. Yan, no? And for others of you, I'm sensing, no, na itong bagay naman, no, na sana gusto ninyong mangyari bago matapos kong 2023 is that has something to do with your money, finances, abundance, and prosperity, whether business yan or what, no? Kasi yung iba, parang kayo to na ginalingan ninyo this year, or baka not just this year, pero to the previous years na rin, no? So, this is you, no? Sana parang maibigay sa'yo rito yung dapat na for you. Pwedeng promotion yan, designation, or baka iniintay mo yung outcome, no? Kasi pwedeng may task na inaiatang sa'yo yung boss mo or yung management ng pinagtatrabahuhan mo. Or ikaw to na may business, may iniintay ka rito na mag-boom at sana magawa mo ito, no? Makuha mo ito, no? Actually, large amount of money yung iniintay mo rito, no? And I'm seeing it happening for you guys. So, hindi ko alam kung sa iba business yan, no, nakikita ko rito, no, na masu-sold out ka, babes. Like, literally, no, marami pang magtatanong at mag-i-inquire about your product, about that service, no, pero ubos na ang slot. So, whatever the case may be, money is coming, no, because you're doing in the hard work. This is apron. Apron to, mga mahal, yung suot niya rito. So, ibig sabihin, ginawa mo ng maayos yung trabaho na yan, natutuo ka, no, sa kalidad ng business na yan or trabahong ipinakita at pinamalas mo rito, no, and I'm seeing that you're gonna harvest here whatever it is that you're waiting for. It's money, it's the position for others of you. I'm seeing it happening here. Wait is finally over. You're gonna step right here, no, into this mas kalmado, mas makakapag-rest kayo, mas makakapagbakasyon kayo, no? Kasi ito yung magbibigay sa inyo ng parang a little dagdag, no, na marirecharge, no, yung energy ninyo, no, para mag-step up pa more sa 2024. Mas excited kayo, no, na mas magtrabaho, na mas pagbutihin pa yung business na yan sa 2024 dahil masisimulan mo yan bago mag 2023. So, wow, ang taray celebration it is, no? And see, you've got 2 aces right here. This is definitely 2 confirmations that this is your truth, that this is something that will excite you, and it's happening. There's celebration right here. I'm seeing you gaining all of these things. Just don't overthink. Don't pressure yourself kasi hindi ka naman pressure cooker nung past life mo. Remain positive right here and it will happen within the next few weeks right here, no? See, we're just, okay, at our 2nd week of November. Okay, so, mga babes, no? Within the next few weeks, yung iba, no, na pag nag-remain positive kayo, you're gonna have this by next week lang. That's what I'm sensing, no? That's the fastest that I'm getting. Okay, so whatever the case may be, it's a yes. So, do not overthink. Okay, so thank you so much, collective. This is the urgent message right here coming from your divine angels and spirit guides. Thank you so much for tuning in, no? And new subscribers, by the way, my name is Yan, and the returning subscribers, maraming salamat sa pananatili rito sa channel na ito. Thank you so much, Harang Love and Light. Annyeong!